following is a flood watch statement. Flood watch in effect from Tuesday morning through late Tuesday night. What flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? Where portions of northern Delaware, including the following area: Newcastle, New Jersey, including the following areas: Camden, eastern Monmouth, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Morris, Northwestern Burlington, Somerset and western Monmouth, and southeast Pennsylvania, including the following areas: Delaware, eastern Chester, eastern Montgomery, lower Bucks, Philadelphia, upper Bucks, western Chester and western Montgomery. When? From Tuesday morning through late Tuesday night. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details: multiple rounds of heavy showers and thunderstorms are expected beginning Tuesday morning through Tuesday night. Rainfall rates of up to 2 inches per hour will be possible at times. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood. You should monitor later forecast and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.